show. Today we got the science kit. Now let's make some experiments.
And who got you this science kit?
Big Gaga!
Yes. Now there are too many experiments, but today we are going to try this glowing test tube and there's another one. So first let's start with the glowing test tube. Let me pour the water. Hope I will not spill down.
You will spill it.
There you go.
We will show you how it works. Wait.
Oh, glowing.
Oh, now it's glowing.
Yes.
Maybe our next experiment is fluffy slime.
Okay, fluffy slime. First step is 6 scoops of shampoo. Okay. No, 3 scoops of shampoo and 6 scoops of corn starch. Okay. Okay, which color you want?
Red color.
Red color. 6 to 7.
Finally worked. Why it looks black? Actually, that's good though. It looks bloody. But it will be so tiny since you spilled the powder.
Gada slimy. No more water slimy.
This is not even a slime, it's soup.
Open your mouth.
Not edible.
So this is the slime final result, but this is a water slime. If you want exact slime, then you have to put more cornstarch. And that's it. Bye bye.